Time now for a brand new ultimate taste test. But what am I going to be trying today? From the brand I've already done one test on, Sheila G's. But what is it? I'll let you know in just a moment. Hey people, how are we doing today? It's time for a brand new ultimate taste test. And what am I going to be trying today? From Sheila G's Brownie Brittle Gluten-Free Dark Chocolate Sea Salt. Now if you'll remember, I've done a taste test of hers before, and this is a different one. A chocolate indulgence you can feel good about. Now I've been looking forward to this one because I've seen it on the shelf and I thought I'll wait till an appropriate time to get it. So I got it. And now I'll show you what it looks like. Don't they look delicious? And it's time to try one. Wow. Here's another winner. I can see these crumbled up, put on a hot fudge sundae, or just plain ice cream. Or just eat them right out of the bag, just like they are. They are very good. They've got a very light, salty taste. The chocolate is superb. And the dark chocolate, the chocolate chips, an excellent choice. Altogether, I'd say, well, a 9 out of 10. I would give it a 10 out of 10, but this bag isn't big enough. You know what I mean? So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you liked it. If you're brand new to this channel and you love what you see, subscribe to my channel. I will welcome you with open arms if you will let me know in a comment that you have subscribed. Oh my goodness. If you want to, you can share this video with your friends. And of course, I've already said this once, I have a special anniversary coming up, 5 years on YouTube. And I need some questions. So if you have any questions that you would like to ask me, put them in the comment section below, or put them on a letter or a postcard and send them to Kenny Davenport at P.O. Box 198, Crossville, Tennessee 38557.